Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and this is a quite huge view, like not quite wide view. Yeah, I'm not used to this view. Whatever, let me know if you like the change or not. But yeah, that's it. And today I gonna share a amalgamation of apps, amalgamation of website maybe. So here you will find a lots of little apps and little editors, converters, PDF tools, video, audio, and lots of other tools. So let's get straight in the video. So today our first website three is 123 apps, and they basically does what they like tell in their name 123, and voila, there is a new app for you. Yeah, basically they have little apps for every little task. Like in video tools you have trimming, cropping, rotating, blah blah blah. In audio tools you have such apps like trimming, changing volume, voice recorder and all. PDF tools, you have such great PDF tools also. And we have a dedicated website for PDFs, but yeah, if they have it. You can't deny it, right? And yeah, this is a great thing, PDF to HTML. So yeah, they have it. And converters, some of the converters are there already and some of them are coming soon. And utilities, yeah, like archive extractor, and that's it. And if you don't want to scroll through the whole page, you can always check it out from here. Okay, and that's about it for this website. Web apps are like 123 web apps. Then there is another website, that is gif.com. I think they mean to say easy gif or something like that. But yeah, this is a great tool for gifs or anything else maybe, but this is particularly a great tool for gifs. And I have edited a gif today on this website, to be honest, and I found it, yeah, pretty interesting. And they provide a lots of customization also. So yeah, obviously here is gif maker, video to gif. Actually I've changed my video to gif and then reduce the gif also, like optimize the gif. So yeah, this works great. Like you can check it in my Twitter. I have posted a posted a gif of my new work, like what a new project, that is UI design. And the video, that video I have recorded on a prototyping thing in Figma while I am prototyping. So I have scrolled through the phone and I got the video, but I needed to make it like GIF, like, because that is the like what the least uh video format, like not least video format that provides video moving motion pictures in the least possible memory. Yeah, whatever. So basically that's it, you can check it out yourself, that's it. And yeah, here is lots of tools, so you can obviously check them out. So that's it for this website also. Obviously you will check it out, I know, because this gonna come in handy. These all of those tools that I am featuring today gonna come in handy in, like, any day. Like any day you have something to do, like something to convert or something to edit, obviously you can use those websites. Now next is, this one is one of my favorite because this does a lot of things. This is online converter, and it can convert basically any file to any file. So yeah, they have a lot of converters. So what do you ask for, like audio converter, document converter, web service converter, hashtag generator, hashtag generator also, like video converter, image converter, and a lot of things. And they provide you a chrome extension also, so that's can come in handy in many situations, obviously. And rather than that, this is basically mainly a converter website, nothing else. And the last but not the least, that is I Love PDF. I know a lot of you guys may know about I Love PDF. So I Love PDF provide the best possible interface for PDF editing. Like you can see what that they provide here. They obviously they provide a lots of features already, and you can log into them or sign into them, or you can just do your work anonymously. And so here are lots of PDF tools like merge, plate, compress, and converting any form to PDF and PDF to any form, any, not any form, but yeah, most of the forms, most of the usable formats. Okay, and yeah, here is all of the PDF tools that you can use. Yeah, and that's about it about those four websites. Those four websites actually serve totally different scenarios, totally different use cases, but those websites will come in handy in your day-to-day basis. Yeah, so basically that's it for this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, because that helps a lot. And 79% of you aren't subscribed, 79% of the viewers aren't subscribed, so please subscribe. And if you know about some of the cool resources, great resources, or great web apps, great normal apps or softwares, please let me know about them in the description also, so I can feature them in my future videos. And that's it. Bye.